So I've got one rucksack and one 8 kilo carry-on. I'm not checking in any luggage. So how am I going to manage for 5 days being away in a different country? Well, there's a motto that I like to shout about in my house, and my kids put their fingers in their ears when they hear it, because Mum, not again. It's, when in doubt, simplify. And I'm going to really do my best to be ruthless. Wear one pair of shoes the whole time, and one cardigan, a couple tops. Really, I can do a bit of hand wash. Really be ruthless. But what I am going to do is, tomorrow morning, which is the last morning before I go, I'm going to get up especially early and spend time preparing my bag, because, you know, the bits and pieces that I need to feel grounded when I'm away. I need to make sure that I've got the things that I need with me, and that is really important. I'm going to put myself first and put my stuff together. Even though I'm saying simplify, but the few things that I have, I'm going to do with thought and find a home for everything that I have, so that I don't end up frazzled and searching and all that. And I've also ordered a pair of those heavy noise cancelling headphones, because the last time I went away on the plane, I went with my family. My regular earphones didn't work because the plane engine was too loud, but my son took these thingies with, and I tried them out and they were really good. I thought, right, next time I'm on a plane, I'm going to buy them. So I actually ordered one today from Argos, and I paid £5 extra. It's coming to my house on the same day. And blow it. Too bad, because my time is precious. I'm not wasting 45 minutes driving to Argos to pick up the headphones when they can pop it into my house for £5. So what I'm saying is, I'm starting to put myself first. So tomorrow morning, up and early, getting my stuff together and thinking really carefully about what I'm taking. So what I'm wearing can serve maybe 2 purposes or stuff like that. You know, capsule wardrobe idea. And I'm really going to be careful to only take what I really, really need, and put myself first. Yes, I've said that 3 times. Put myself first.